I have graduated from Bharati Vidyapeeth New Law College in year 2017. Since then, I have been into the litigation practice in Delhi District Courts and Delhi High Court. What means while practicing, I found that everything, even if it is civil laws or the commercial laws, even in if we deal in those cases, everything was a kind of haywire. I mean, the skills were haywire. Means you cannot learn certain skills at with one senior or at one place. So how I found Law Seco was that means within those 3 years of practice, 1 year I gave my uh, time to in-house legal team in one of the companies, where I came across certain joint venture agreements and shareholder agreements. I had to vet them and I had to draft them with the team. So there I faced many problems because I didn't know anything of them. Whatever I ventured through company law and everything, those were the basic skills, but the advanced skills which I wanted to learn were missing somehow. So, through iPleaders, I discovered Law Seco. Law Seco gave me means a new way through the M&A, institutional finance, VC and PA transactions. So there I found whatever I need to learn at that point of time. So I inquired from the team and more and through their videos and everything. I found the course very much means in detail and everything was present for the student to learn. The main thing was that every skill related to corporate team and company law were present in the course and were in a very organized manner. Where I found where I was struggling, the Law Seco solved that part with their course, M&A Law Seco course. So then I enrolled myself into the course. I find the skills that I've learned through means we have the bank panels related to vetting of debt financing agreements and everything. So those debt financing agreements, the skills that are required to vet, before vetting you need to actually have the experience of drafting the same. So the M&A course that I opted for also had a great means apart at the end that is of debt financing, where the students are required to draft the needful agreements like loan agreements, hypothecation deed, syndicate loan agreement, etc. So from there, I actually means I am actually in a very kind of means on a in a I have an organized skill set through this law seeker course. It mainly consists of for now civil cases, commercial cases, and one or two writs. Means one is for custodial death, which we are yet to file, and one or two matters of medical negligence, and 3 or 4 matters of criminal matters. The rest of the matters are more or less are civil in nature. We also have certain kind of retainership with one or two companies. So yes, I am looking forward to have to enroll in more of the cases of Law Seco. Uh, and for now, I am into litigation. I want to proceed into litigation more. But for now, I need with this new skill set that I have in my hand, I need to venture more into the corporate law practice, be it drafting or be it litigation, corporate litigation. I will be happy to do so. Law Seco course has a very uh, robust kind of a robust kind of teaching system. The system that I used to have and every student has gone through in the college means that system is just spoon feeding. You study or you don't study, they don't actually worry about you. Whatever you have to do is you have to do it in the exam. That is the means criteria in the college everybody has faced. That criteria doesn't work out too well when you are in the actually the practical field. So the practical notions that the law seco has actually inculcated in its course, in its faculty, is that the faculty is very well versed with the laws, plus they have the practical exposure as well. So if two faculties are teaching a particular course, one will one will teach the theoretical part, another may touch upon the practical part, or more or less, if they can actually kind of reverberate very well in nature. So the student gets the practical as well as theoretical part in a very detailed manner. So that is what the means a good part about the faculty and the teaching methodology adopted by the Law Eco. More importantly, that the Law Eco has actually inculcated in its courses is that of article writing. Means for a law student, like if I share my experience from past 3 months, means since the lockdown happened and everything, I was very low in drafting and everything because I didn't had that much work related to drafting. Now it has opened up. Now I have the work. But what I faced means a very positive point in myself that I have been drafting the article per month, or I've been going through the course. I have drafted the exercises related to the course. So I was very into the aspect of drafting the things. So I know how to. So I get to. I was actually in the process of knowing how to get the things, how to relate them, how to after relating how to get it on the paper. Means on paper means in your exercise and your article writing. So after 3 months I didn't face that much lag, where my friends or my seniors were actually here hither or there, means they were saying, I mean they had the aspect that yes, they are facing a kind of lag due to this 3 months lag in their practice. So that is the main important thing, that it gives you a very nice Logico gives you a very nice kind of practice into the writing aspect. They have the extra classes for means extra classes you can say. As far as assignment writing is concerned, assignment they get into the main aspect that what things will transform your article into a publishable quality. That is one of the beautiful aspect that the Law Eco has touched upon, which I think it's actually very much missing in our colleges. They only cater for the student once the competitions come to their head, or if the student is representing them in the competitions. The rest is just, it depends on the students. You are the sailor of your own boat. Likewise, you are the sailor of your own boat, but you have the very good support from the faculty and the Law Eco team. They're quite supportive. Means no surprise why people come on again and again to the Law Eco to gain take more and more cases, more and more courses.